the psyche is still, in the unstable psyche,
I see.
an insecure and unstable psyche.
Mm-hmm.
That's a sad part of the whole
So,
story.
so are when they're voting for BJP, are they making deals with BJP or are they just
I
giving
don't
it up,
think
giving
BJP is
up
allowing them to make any deal. They're saying
Okay.
unconditional.
unconditional
Yeah,
submission?
and then we will see kind of thing. They're doing it. And so many of the Muslims are sort of standing on behalf of BJP. They're wanting entry back.
Mm-hmm.
So in that sense, the Modi strategy in Gujarat has worked full. Beat them into submission.
Submission, yeah.
But fortunately, it is not working in other states. So
Right.
thank God for that.
Mm-hmm.
That's all I can say. And so there is what I say, the unfinished business of the colonies, and इसको कहते हैं नासूर हो गया है.
जी.
In spite of, as civil society, maybe we have spent collectively maybe 15-20 करोड़ खर्च दिया होगा. सरकार का 250-300 करोड़ रुपया खर्च दिया होगा, ज़्यादा 300-400 करोड़ खर्च दिया होगा रिलीफ से लोग. तो फिर भी नासूर है. यानी कितना ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट हुआ है, कितना ज़्यादा द हर्ट इज़ हाउ मच, द वेनम इज़ हाउ मच, गुस्सा कितना है, ये सब सोचने की बात.
तो उस पर आप काफ़ी अरसे से काम किया आप लोगों ने. आपको क्या लगता है कि कुछ डू यू सी एनी होप?
नहीं, अच्छे से काम किया है, बट फ्यू चैलेंजेस रिमेन. अभी हमने तो बोला था कि भाई सब कॉलोनीज के घर इनको दे दो. मैंने तो इसको ऐसे ही देखा था कि आप 3 टेंट के पैसे दोगे जब तक उनको मिलेंगे, उतने में ये घर बने. अर्थक्वेक के घर इससे 4 गुने ज़्यादा पैसों से बने. तो ये टेंटों के पैसे हैं, ये घर के पैसे नहीं हैं. तो देयरफॉर आई हैव बीन अपीलिंग टू मेनी ऑफ द अदर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कि इनके नाम पे कर दो,
घर इनके नाम पे हो जाए. जी.
वो उधर डिले हो रहा है. अभी अच्छा करेंगे नहीं करेंगे.
कुछ ज़मीन भी कुछ लीगल नहीं है.
उस टाइम पे मैंने वही बोला ना कि आई डोंट थिंक, मैंने तो जो सोच थी कि टेंट बना रहे हैं, टेंट तो उखाड़ के फेंक देंगे. उस टेंट के पैसे 25-30 हज़ार है. 22 हज़ार के घर बने हुए, तो टेंटों के पैसे के घर बने. तो अगर ज़मीन के पैसे दिए हुए हैं, बट they are all illegal, technically illegal.
Right.
So these are the, what you say, the unstable or destabilizing processes which are on the underbelly. दे भी दोगे तो भी कुछ और मुद्दे होंगे.
जी.
What is happening to the women, what is happening to the young people, schools का मामला. अब स्कूल हमने शुरू किए थे, अब कितनी देर चलाएंगे हम.
जी. Yeah.
सपोज इंटरिम के बच्चों को साल ना बिगड़े, साल 2 साल 3 साल, अब सरकारी स्कूल होने चाहिए. या आई मीन देयर आर अदर्स हू टू कम फॉरवर्ड टू.
तो सरकार तो रिस्पॉन्सिव नहीं है, और फिर आप लोग भी लिमिटेशन so what do you see?
I'm seeing, I'm trying to bring back these. मेरे को जो गुस्सा मेरा है वो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से नहीं है.
अच्छा.
मेरा गुस्सा ये है कि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट 230 करोड़ दे के हाथ ऊंचा कर दिया.
जी.
मैंने सलमान साहब से 2 बार गुजारिश की कि आप आइए, एक बार भी नहीं आई. मोमा के जो मंत्री हैं, मिनिस्टर
जी,
वो दे आर ऑल्सो ही कॉर्पोरेट अफेयर्स के भी हैं.
जी.
तो दोनों को जोड़ें. पैसा कॉर्पोरेट वालों के पास है, उनके पास अगर नहीं है पैसा तो कॉर्पोरेट वालों को कहें कि कुछ लगाएं यहाँ. तो he promised कि मोमा का वॉच हम करेंगे.
अच्छा.
We will set up a watch system. ठीक है, डायरेक्टली कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
कुछ स्कॉलरशिप में भी प्रॉब्लम्स आई थी यहाँ पे, माइनॉरिटी स्कॉलरशिप में भी.
स्कॉलरशिप is a what percentage? That's the education part. I think the issue is livelihood.
जी.
The issue is really livelihood at a restorative level which these people were already used to.
मुसलमानों की हालत यहाँ पे जो है पहले से wasn't very good to begin with when 2002 happened, and 8 years later you think it has improved? जो भी
it has improved at cosmetic levels.
It's cosmetic, okay.
And therefore there is peace at this thing, but there is an internal process where colonies में देखिए, people are living there from all spaces. they internally are not matching.
Yeah.
कॉलेज के अंदर झगड़े जो हैं
जी, जी।
उनकी अगर बातें शुरू करें तो इट विल बी स्टोरी कॉमिक्स बढ़ जाएंगे.
Right. Sectarian differences भी काफ़ी हैं. Yeah.
सेक्टेरियन है, कल्चरल है, अलग अलग जगह से लोग आए हैं. हर कहीं अपना वजूद होना, यू नो यू हैव रूट्स. तो आप कहीं ट्रांसप्लांट कर दो तो ट्री कैन नॉट ट्रांसप्लांट इटसेल्फ. छोटा प्लांट कैन.
सही है.
ये तो बड़े बड़े पेड़ ट्रांसप्लांट कर रहे हो आप. It will take time, and I hope it can be done. But I think the role of media, other people, is to not chadhao it, but to look at it in a very, very poignant manner, in a respectful manner. Certain things need to be done,
जी.
thought through. I think these are issues. We are working. We have
एक चीज़
employment.
मैंने और नोटिस की है यहाँ पे कि you know Hindus and Muslims on the surface looks like they are crossing paths, but you know at night time they go back to their homes and their areas, and there's not much social interaction. Even though on the street you see you know.
I think that is cut off. That's Ahmedabad is a sign of that.
Yeah.
The other places ठीक है, हम बात कर लेंगे, धंधा कर लेंगे, but
तो क्या करना चाहिए उसके लिए कुछ what do you think?
we tried this thing with youth, we tried this thing with children. I would give up on and I think we can try it with women. I would give it up on these on men and you know above 35.
अच्छा. No hope there.
No. They ulta, on the contrary, they gain power by exclusion. Both communities.
I see.
So I think we need to talk to children. We need to create conditions where children start talking to each other. Therefore, we need to talk at schools. The youth, that is where the BJP gets its people. So we are working in about 30 or 35 small and medium-sized towns.
अच्छा. All over Gujarat.
All over Gujarat. We are trying here now a radio program in this side of the thing through Drishti. It's called Radio Nazariya.
I see.
Program that we see.
I see.
आप देख रहे हैं वो मियां महादेव.
ऊपर वाला जो है.
I think this kind of a strategic media work needs to be done.
जी. So tell us some of the experiments that you have tried or you're trying.
I think you know about the thing we tried. We tried on this tribal इनका goat rearing and मीट का धंधा के साथ जोड़ने का. Tribal were doing goat rearing in coming to reviving those economic linkages.
I see. Okay.
We trying with youth on sports. We had cricket and things like that.
जी.
Just a minute, I have to go up. Hello.
So one last thing, whatever message you have for.
No, my thing is, I think we need a solidarity support on this, which needs to not further push exclusion. So I think we need to support those causes which are bringing people together. Because I mean, other than justice, I mean, there is no question about it. That has to go its own way,
Right.
And we can't compromise on that. But I think this everyday interaction, everyday interdependence. We need to think of creative ways on that. Youth, children, women, saving and credit groups where women start talking to each other. Those kind of things.
So economic, cultural, and sports entertainment linkages are you think the way to go to provide.
Whereas on the law front, we need to say, sorry, this is non-negotiable. The law we must take it forward. I think that's the bottom line.
तो ये compensation का numbers दिए गए थे. I mean, all have been compensated, right? I mean, all the amounts have been dispersed.
The one which got their first round, but many were left in the first round.
I see.
What about them? Plus the certain clauses where the compensation given are not yet found. For example, non-insured commercial property.
I see.
So the government of India had declared.
What are people who have been missing?
Missing.
ज़्यादा नहीं है. अच्छा. So all the okay.
I mean, the missing is equal to dead वाला तो हो गया.
हो गया है.
That should not be. And the very few. I mean, focus on that is too much of energy on too much.
I see. Okay. Well, thank you very much.
Good.